Hello guys, welcome back. Today topic is addition and subtraction of matrices, that how we can solve the addition and subtractions problems. In this video I will properly guide you that how you can solve these type of questions. Before we go, I request you, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe it and click on bell icon so you will see my latest and informative videos on my channel. So let's go. So our topic is addition and subtraction of matrices. This is the base of matrices and important question in mathematics. So let me show you. So let's a is equal to 2, 3 and 0, minus 1, 2 and 1, and p is equal to minus 1, 0 and 2, 3, 2 and 1. So how we can add these two matrices? So it depends upon the condition. So we can say that the first condition is their order should be same. We can add after while check the order. If the order is same of both matrix, so we can add the corresponding elements of the matrices. So the first condition is order should be same of both matrices. Then we can be able to add the corresponding elements of matrices. So here we can see that we have two matrices A and B, and their order is 2 cross 3 and B order is 2 cross 3. How we can say that the order is 2 cross 3? We know that we can first find the rows, first row, second row, first column, second column and third column. So order is dependent upon rows and columns, and that's why we can say that it is 2 by 3 matrix. And also for B, first row and second row, first column, second column and third column, and the order is 2 cross 3. And here we can see that the order is same, 2 cross 3 of A matrix and 2 cross 3 of B matrix. Their order should be same. So the first condition is hold, and now we can be able to add the both of matrix. So we can say that A plus B is equal to 2, 3 and 0, minus 1, 2 and 1, plus, now we are adding the both of matrix, minus 1, 0 and 2, 3, 2 and 1. I have just write the same question again, just adding the plus sign here. So now we can add that corresponding and respective element, like first element of first matrix and first element of second matrix, second element of first matrix and second element of first matrix. So here you can see that we can solve it. 2 plus into minus 1, first element of first matrix, and then we can add this element. 3 plus 0, 0 plus 2, minus 1 plus 3, 2 plus 2 and 1 plus 1. Here we can see the result. 2 and plus and minus we can add it, so it become minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and 1 plus 2 is equal to 2. So here let's find the answer. We can say that 2 minus 1, you can see 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and 3 and 2 and 2 and 4 and 2. So this is our A plus B matrix. So that's we add it. So that's our solution. So now move toward the subtraction of matrix. How we can subtract the elements of a matrix. For example, we have two matrices again, 1 0 2 minus 3 2 and 4, and B is equal to minus 1 0 and 2 3 2 and 1. For the subtraction matrix rule is, first we have same order. So the first condition is we have same order. Order should be same of both matrix, which is same. Then we can able to add or subtract the matrix. Subtract the corresponding elements of a matrix. Elements of matrix. So here let's find the order. So the order is 2 cross 3 and second is 2 cross 3. We can subtract it, the matrix, because their order is same of the both matrix. If the order is not same, then we cannot be able to add or subtract the matrix, because the condition is necessary. Now the order should be same, and then we can able to subtract the matrix. We write that 1 0 2 minus 3 2 and 4 minus signature minus 1 0 and 2 3 2 and 1. So here we can subtract it 1 corresponding element of the first matrix, first element of first matrix, first element of second matrix, 1 minus of this and minus 1, 0 minus 0 second element of first matrix and second element of second matrix, 2 minus 2, this is the third element. Then let's move to the next row, minus 3 minus 3 2 minus 2 4 minus 1. So let's see that versus solution. So we can see that 1 minus into minus plus, so we can add that 1 plus 1, 0 minus 0 0, 2 minus 2, can say that it's 0, and minus 3 is minus 6, and 2 minus 2 is 0, and 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 1 is 3. So let's calculate the value. 1 plus 1 2, 0 0 minus 6 0 or 3, and their order is also 2 cross 3. This is our solution. This is so easy. Let me summarize this again for you. How we can say that we can be able to add the two matrices? It depends upon the two conditions. First, we should check the order of both matrices. If the order is same, then we can be able to add the matrix. If the order is not same, then we cannot be able to add the matrix. Second one is we can add or subtract the corresponding elements of the matrix. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries about this question or any suggestions, you can mention it comment section. Thank you very much.